So this is the bolt for the mount for the engine and gearbox. Usually it's called the dog bone. It goes from underneath the gearbox till you know, the subframe. Usually in my case it goes to the firewall, and so this is the dog bone mount thing. Just put a new thread thing in the gearbox, on the gearbox side, so we'll see if this will do the trick. So you can see the rear wheels are turning. It's got power to the rear, and that was the point of today's video. I haven't done that much to it this last week, so motivation is not that high. Just for now, you know, motivation goes up and down, so now it's kind of down. Anyways, I can finally claim I have an all-wheel drive Mark 1, even though I can't, you know, drive it yet. It's still all-wheel drive, but